Hi everyone, Ferris here at Cloud Systems. In today's age, artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword, it's a tool that can empower you to learn and do almost anything. And you can do it fast. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can harness the power of artificial intelligence, specifically ChatGPT, to skyrocket your learning and problem-solving skills. Let's dive right in. First of all, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence tool developed by OpenAI that can understand and generate human-like text. Think of it as having a virtual assistant that you can talk to, learn from, and even get it to write code, poems, or solve complicated problems for you. So first things first, to access it, open up your favorite web browser and go to the OpenAI website, which is chat.openai.com. You'll be introduced to the homepage of ChatGPT here, where you can log in or sign up. Very straightforward and user-friendly. You can click sign up here and create an account if you haven't already done so. You can continue with the following platforms. Let's say that Outlook is giving you too many problems. I'm unable to send or receive emails. I have internet connected. I tried restarting, and the problem still won't go away. What are some common fixes for such problems? In just seconds, ChatGPT will outline steps for you and generate responses here. So let's say you know nothing about computers, this tool can immensely help you. So let's say we want to focus on point number 9 that it generated for us, which is create a new Outlook profile. This is something that we deal with pretty much on a daily basis when dealing with Outlook problems. And so it gives you steps, and we're going to follow through with it here. So for example, it asks you to close Outlook first. We'll go ahead and do that. Open the control panel by searching for it in the Windows search bar. So we'll look up the control panel. Find Mail, Microsoft Outlook, locate the Mail option, which is right there. And here it gives you very accurate steps. So show profiles, add a new profile, give it a name. I will just simply call this M365, which stands for Microsoft 365. And here it'll automatically set up my account. I'll enter my password here. Click finish, and here select the default profile. If you have multiple profiles, you need to select the one, so always use this profile. And just like that, click apply, and then open Outlook, and guess what, the problem's resolved. So thank you, ChatGPT, resolving my Outlook problem. The best thing is that it's not just for tech issues, it's also used to learn new recipes, it's also used to understand quantum physics, pretty much anything. So okay, and just like that, in seconds you have incredible ideas, incredible recipes. They can help you cook through problems, they can help you do pretty much anything that you want. So let's say that we can move on to coding here. Let's say generate a basic code that I can use to So it'll give you pretty much everything you need here. It'll give you the code for the game, the whole thing, give you directions, and if the best part is, if we test this out here, well, if we set it up, you can extend it, you can modify it, you can learn it. I don't understand the text you generated. Can you please clarify what it means? So think of it as a human expert that understands pretty much anything and can guide you through it all. If something isn't clear, you can just ask for a clarification or a different explanation. It remembers the entirety of the context of the chat, so it's almost like you're having a conversation with a real person who can understand pretty much anything. So it's very interactive, it's tailored to you and to use it with your life. And here you can see examples and explanations of every part in the code. And again, if there's something that you don't understand, you can expand on it further. Teach me French. I know nothing about it. I speak English and Arabic. You can learn a new language here. Just remember, ChatGPT is not perfect. It's really important to check the information and the facts that it produces. As you can see at the bottom here, it encourages you to check everything that it says. Be aware of its limitations. So for example, it won't be able to tell you the time as it doesn't have access to real-time information. However, its knowledge database... So you can ask it what its knowledge database is. So here you can see that the ChatGPT 3.5 version is currently capped at January 2022. So you can still use it for a lot of really great things. You can give it a try. It could be the edge that you need for work, studies, personal projects. Again, for example here, can you teach me calculus? So, if you know nothing about math, again, this is something that I wish I had learned about during my years of university and school, because it would have definitely accelerated my learning, taught me pretty much everything I needed, giving me the best textbooks to learn from. So this is a digital polymath. This can do pretty much anything. It can explain the stars above. It's your 24/7 expert sitting in your pocket, ready to chat, ready to teach, ready to solve. If you're stuck with some woes, if you hit a snag, just ask it until it clicks, and it'll adapt. It'll offer you explanations until you have that aha moment. It's personalized and it's turbocharged, so it can help me with my coding, it can help me with my scripting, and you can learn some really interesting stuff and fast, okay? If you like music, if you're musically inclined, just ask it how you can learn guitar, okay? You know nothing about music? It'll tell you what you need to do. It'll tell you the basic chords, basic strumming, basic songs. It'll get you going, okay? And if you want to go more in-depth and more complicated, you can certainly do so. Now, this is the free version. This is ChatGPT 3.5. If you'd like to upload images, files, and generate images, you can go into ChatGPT 4, which is multi-modular. So ChatGPT 4, you can straight up feed it Excel spreadsheet files or PDFs. So for example here, I have a picture of our logo here, and I can just ask it, what is this image of? So now it'll, in real time, analyze the image and indicate what it is. Let's say that you deal with anxiety and stress, and you're about to go on a train or a crowded area, and you don't really know how to deal with your thoughts. Just ask it. And there you go. It'll give you some grounding techniques. It'll give you some common relaxation techniques. It'll give you some visualizations. It'll give you some positive affirmations, and this stuff works, okay? So reach out to ChatGPT. If you need any help with anything, reach out to ChatGPT. It's a private, and strap in, because you're gonna be unstoppable using this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a like if you enjoyed it or if it helped you out. And let me know how you're using it in the comments below. Feel free to reach out to us if you need any help with using such tools. There are many great advancements happening in the AI space right now, such as Microsoft's Copilot being integrated into Microsoft Excel, Outlook, and it's going to be your everyday OpenAI companion, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.